Alright, it's more of the same snowstorm, February 6, 2019. This is a real storm. It's been going all night. That's my dog, Flanders. Well, you want to go outside. You gonna do something or just stand there? Man, that is a storm. Look at that, holy shit. It's a real whiteout. Flanders, what are you gonna do? Stand there? You wanna go inside? Yeah, that's a lot of snow. Yeah, she's like about probably 14, 15. I hope she lasts another 4 or 5 years, but I doubt it. Cancer kills everybody. Everybody and every creature. Flanders. Had enough yet? You want to come in? Huh? You want to come in or you want to stay in the cold? Man, it's cold too. Look at that, man. Just crazy. Crazy cold weather. Somewhere it's raining like hell somewhere. A lot of rain somewhere. Alright, gang. We'll see you on the next YouTube.